Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you guys how I converted my $10,000 account into $20,000 in 10 days by trading options in the stock market. I started this account on 6th of July 2021. That was a Tuesday. We had the long weekend on Monday. The market was closed because of the 4th of July observed holiday. I had the long weekend to reset. On Tuesday, I came in with a fresh mindset, starting my account by only taking positions under $10,000. And after 2 trading weeks, after 10 to 11 trading days, my 10K account was at $20,000. And that's what I will be showing you in this video, because if I can do it, you guys can also do it. Now, if you ask me, was it easy to do? I would say hell no. I have been trading for 2.5 years. I have had my ups and downs. Trading career is not very easy to make a living in, but it's a very, very rewarding career, because if I am making $10,000 in 10 trading days, I know people who have been trading for 5 to 10 years and they are making $1 million in 10 trading days. So if you are just starting out in the stock market, I would say don't compare your step 1 to step 10 of any other trader. Stick to your own journey. Focus on being consistent. Focus on making a process first, and then you can scale up after that. In this video, I will show you guys my P&L calendar and my statistics using the app TraderSync that I use to track my trades. After that, I will show you guys my best trades, my worst trades, and the strategies behind those trades. At the end of this video, I will also show you guys my broker statement, just to be transparent here. Before we start this video, I would like to thank each and every trader who is a part of our Discord community for keeping me accountable and helping me with the journey. I have been sharing my daily P&L and how I have been doing along the way during this whole journey from $10,000 to $20,000 with the Discord members. Our Discord server is not only a chat room. I trade live every single day. I am on voice or I am writing on text every single market open day, but we also have educational content like Q&A webinars, upcoming week breakdown webinars on how to maintain a trading journal. That is very, very important. Webinars on level 2. So if you guys want to be part of our Discord group, the link will be in the description box below. And only for this video, and because of successful completion of the 10K account challenge, you can use the coupon code right here to get $10 off the monthly subscription price. Here's my TraderSync, guys. I will break down my TraderSync. If you haven't used it ever before, it's called TraderSync. I will put the name right here. I started this challenge on 6th of July. I ended it on 20th of July. So if I apply this filter, you will see my profits with commissions and without commissions. Without commissions, it's $10,353. With commissions, it's at $9,652. But I also had a good green day today as well. When I'm making this video, it's 21st of July. If I apply 21st of July, I am past $10,000 including commissions. So it took me around 11 to 12 trading days to get my account from $10,000 to $20,000. I had more than $10,000 in my account, but I don't live in US. So if I want to withdraw my funds, I have to do a Forex exchange, then withdraw the funds to my bank account, then deposit the funds again. It's a weak process and a big hassle. I don't want to go through that process, but I was treating my existing account like a $10,000 account. What I mean by this, at the start of the challenge, I wasn't allowed to take a single position that was worth more than $10,000. On my first day of the challenge itself, I made $6,000, which was unexpected. Amazon started moving. I was able to capitalize on that trade. I also posted a video on that trade on my YouTube. I will post a link in the description box below, and the video will be somewhere around here. But that was a good start to the 10K account challenge. Now, theoretically, my account is worth $16,000, but I was still only taking positions worth around $5,000 to $6,000 on this account. On rare cases, I was taking a position worth more than $10,000, around $12,000 if I'm trading Tesla, sometimes 10 contracts. That was only a few times. But if I look at my average position sizing, that was around maybe $6,000 on an average, because sometimes I was only going in with $2,000. Sometimes I was going in with $10,000, but it was definitely not more than my account could afford at that time. Let's break down the stats on TraderSync. If you look here, during this period for the past 2 weeks, my win percentage was 57.78%. My loss percentage was 42.22%. It isn't the best. On my best weeks and my best days, my win percentage is around 80-90%, sometimes even 90%. But on an average, it's between 60 to 80%. So it's definitely on the lower side. But the good thing is that I was able to control my loser. As a trader, even if your win percentage is 50%, you should be green. That means that you should make more money on your winners than you are losing on your losing trades. My biggest percentage profit was 115%. This is again the Amazon trade. The link will be in the description box below. My biggest percentage loser was 23%. That was, I believe, on Tesla. I lost more money than I was expecting. So that is 22% I lost on that trade. Just to confirm what I was talking about right now, that my position sizing was not more than my account could afford, I will go in this trade section, and cost is the investment I was putting in on a single given trade. The maximum was $13,000, but that was on July 19th. By this time, my $10,000 account was already around $17,000 to $18,000, so my account could afford that. But majority of my positions, if I sort from low to high now, majority of my positions were $900, $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, $4,000. So that's what I was talking about. My average position sizing was right around $5,000 to $6,000 on a single given trade. Let's now jump onto the calendar and just break down what has happened over the past 2 weeks. At the start of the challenge, on the first day itself, I made $6,000. Was I expecting that? No. I started that account on Tuesday. I posted that in the Discord group that I'm starting a 10K account challenge. So this wasn't planned. Market can't be planned. You can't have any expectation from the market. I wasn't expecting to make $6,000. I only invested on Amazon trade around $5,000 to $6,000 and I made 100% profit on that trade. Was I expecting that? No, but you take what the market gives you. If you look at the overall picture, it's not about making X amount of money every single day. That's not what day trading is about. You just have to capitalize on those 1 or 2 trades in a week. The rest of the days, you have to control your drawdowns and you have to stack up those small wins. Because if you look at the bigger picture after these 2 weeks, these small days like $500, $700, $600, and $343, $100, $1,700. This was the NVDA trade. I posted a recap of this trade on my channel. I will post a link of this video as well in the description box below. It will be somewhere around here. And then this $200, $800. So I'm not making like $5,000 every single day. That's not the goal. If I see a very clean opportunity, I will take that trade. I will make good amount of money on it, but my losing days should be smaller than my winning days. And even if I stack up those small wins, $200, $300 in a day, that is really good for the account. If you ask me, was my trading on point every single day? No, definitely not. I remember on 13th of July, on this day, I overtraded. At one point of time, I think I was down $2,000 for the day. I thought of catching Amazon. Amazon started moving, but if you don't know Amazon, Amazon is a two-way sword. I keep talking about this. I lost money on Amazon. I was around $2,000 for the day, down for the day. I lowered my position sizing, even though my stop loss was $1,000 for the day. So emotionally, I wasn't at my best on 13th of July, but I'm glad that after my loss, I lowered my position sizing. I made $1,000 back on that account, overall ending the day with $1,000 red, which is not bad. So this just means that you can't be at your A game every single day, but as a trader, you need to be self-aware that if you're not on your A game, lower your position sizing, because on those days you can easily blow up your account, and that's not what you should do. But I vividly remember 2 trades. One trade was on Amazon on 6th of July. And then that was the NVDA trade on 15th of July. These 2 trades contributed to my equity curve a lot. On NVDA trade, I made $1,700, which was a really good risk to reward on NVDA. On Amazon, I made 100% winner. You just have to capitalize on that one single trade in a week to make your account, to grow your account. Rest of the days, stack up those small wins and control your drawdowns. Let's now break down my best trades during this period for the past 2 weeks. My first best trade was on Amazon. That was a 100% winner. I have a separate video on that trade, but in this video, I will explain the strategy behind it and quickly explain why I took this trade. I am a day trader. So each and every position here wasn't a swing. All of the trades were day trading and did not hold my position overnight on any given trade on this account. On Amazon, I like this because it broke the all-time high. It was around the all-time high in the pre-market itself, 35.35 level, and 35.54 was the all-time high. So I am kind of a scalper, but if I see a very good opportunity like this, I try to hold my trades a lot longer. So if you look at the 1-day chart, that was the previous all-time high. There were like EMAs here. It's not here on this chart, but there are EMAs. It pulled back to the 9 and 20 EMAs on the 1-day chart. Broke out of the all-time high. My entry was right here. I only took 2 contracts. Usually, if I wasn't trading a small account, $10,000 account, I would have taken maybe 5 contracts or maybe even 10 contracts if I was very, very confident. but I only took 2 contracts. That is worth around $6,000 of investment because of the small account. And in total, I made around $6.5 to $7,000 on this trade. My first exit was at 35.60. I took my first profit out at a premium price of 48.05, making around $1,800, $3,000 to $4,800, $1,800 on this position, on this contract. My last contract, I let it ride for a while until it was holding the 9 EMA on the 1-minute chart. My profit target at the break of 35.50 was the break of 3600 because I thought that Amazon has been consolidating in this range for about a year now. If it breaks out, it will at least move $50 in my favor. That's what I was expecting Amazon to do. And then once it broke $3,600 level, I took my another contract out, overall making around $6.5 to $7,000 on this trade. My second best trade during this period was on NVDA. I made a detailed video explaining this trade and the volume profile, why I took this trade in a previous video. I will post a link in the description box below and the video will be somewhere around here. I would highly recommend watching that video if you want to get better at volume profile and reading the tape and everything like that. But I took NVDA right at the open because it was breaking this 1-day range, the 790 level. I took it for the break. I only took like 5 contracts. That is worth around $4,000 of investment. I took my partials here, 2 contracts out, 1 contract out, 1 out. I was holding 1 contract to see if it can hold the 9 EMA towards the downside. When it broke 9 EMA towards the upside on the 1 minute, I exited my position completely, making $1,700 on this trade. Now this trade can be called a lot of things. This was a volume gap play on the 1-day chart. There was not a lot of volume in between 790 to 775. And you can also call this an opening range breakdown trade because just before the market opened, it dropped from 795 to 791. Then it created this opening range, 1-minute opening range breakdown, it pushed down. So you can call this strategy a lot of names, but at the end of the day, it's about learning to see the price action. Price action is king. Once you understand the price action, then you will be able to develop your strategies, your own strategies behind those price action. Now, how do you learn the price action? It's all about screen time. You have to keep looking at the charts. I have been looking at charts for the past 2.5 years. Every single market open day, I think I have only taken 3 or 4 days off market open days. But I am showing up every single day, looking at the price action and trying to develop my art and get better at trading. I will now show you guys my worst trading day. That was on 13th of July 2021. At one point of time, I was down $2,000 on this day, but I recovered some of the losses, ending the day with $1,000 red. And that was because I had FOMO on Amazon. Amazon started moving around 10 a.m. It was around all-time high on the 1-day chart. You can see at the bottom of the screen, it was around all-time high. My entry should have been at the pullback to the 9 EMA. I was thinking to enter at the break of 37, the hold of 37.35 or the break of 37.40. But I was looking at some other stock. I missed my entry on Amazon. But the mistake I did as a trader, because you will miss out on opportunities. That is just part of the game. But what I did, the mistake I made as a trader is that I tried to chase it. I entered maybe here, I got faked out, I lost money on this trade, then I tried to take it again at the break of the flag, something like that happened. I lost money again. So after these trades on Amazon, I was down $2,000 for the day. Then I asked this question to myself, is it the market or is it me? I was emotionally messed up, but the market was giving opportunities. So on days like these, I just gave myself $200 more for the day. I was like, even if I lose $200 to $300 more, that won't be the end of the world. I can still end the day with $2,200 or $2,300 red for the day. But market is giving me opportunities. I will try to capitalize on those opportunities with very small size. And that's what I did. With small size, I lowered my position sizing. I was able to make some of my losses back, ending the day with $1,000 red for the day. Let's finally take a look at my realized summary broker statement, because I know you can manually add your trades on TraderSync as well. I don't do it, but I know you can do it. That's why, just to be transparent here, I will show you guys my broker statement as well. I will click on realized summary. I will go in custom date range. I will select from 6th of July. That was the start of the challenge to 20th of July. I made $525 on 21st of July as well, but it updates the day after. I'll run this report. It might take a while. So here's the report, guys. I will click on realized summary and let's take a look at my realized summary. These are all my trades from the period from July 6th to July 20th. I have removed myself from the screen because I was hiding the P&L section here. So my maximum winner was at 6699 on Amazon. Then I lost some money. My other winner was on NVDA, $1,700. NVDA again, $1,846. My biggest losers were on Tesla here, $1,931. $2,000 on Tesla, losing again. In total, ending the period from 6th of July to 20th of July with $9,653 in the profit. That is a realized summary, including commissions. But we saw from traders saying that my profit, excluding commissions, was $10,300. That's it, guys. I did post a lot of my trade recaps of the days I broke down in this video on my channel, so make sure to check out my previous videos. Like this video and subscribe to my channel for a lot more trading content moving forward. If you want to be part of our Discord group, you can use the coupon code. The link will be in the description box below. Also, don't forget to follow my Instagram because I post a lot of good trading content on Instagram as well. The link will be in the description box below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.